Hello my beautiful ladies, it's Greta here, ladies relationship coach. And today my beauties, I'm going to share with you 5 ways on how to get a man to value you. So let's just get started. The first way is, and I'm actually going to share a quote from my friend, and this is what he said. A man will never value or respect another man who does not value or respect himself. He said a man will just not do that. He will not respect another guy who does not respect or value himself. And when my friend said that, in my head I was just thinking, oh my god, the same way a man treats a woman. If a woman does not value or respect herself, a man will not value or respect her. He also said the reason is because if you cannot respect or value yourself, how are you going to respect or value me? Okay, ladies? So first, if you want a man to value you, you need to value and respect yourself first. How does loving yourself make him love you even more? Please watch my video that you can find just by pressing on the link right here. Second way on how to get a man to value you is, especially in the beginning of the dating, wait to have sex with him. What comes easy goes easy. The truth is, a guy's goal is to get into your pants. If you're gonna let him achieve this goal very fast without him even getting to know you, basically he's just not gonna care about you. He's gonna achieve his goal and he's gonna let you go just like that, because he didn't even get a chance to get to know you and he already achieved his goal. So what you do if you want a guy to like you for you, wait to have sex with him and basically spend time with him so he gets to know you as a person. And when you eventually do have sex, he already bonded with you as a person, so now he's not gonna let you go just like that, because you guys created that bond and he does care about you. Also, ladies, it's very, very important how you behave with a man after having sex with him, because usually this is where most of women lose it. Because after sex, women usually start acting naggy, needy, clingy. We lose their emotional control. So ladies, it's really, really important how you behave with the guy after sex as well. And how to behave with a man after sex, please watch my video that you can find just by following the link right here. The third way on how to get a man to value and respect you is to set the healthy boundaries. How and why? Ladies, how a man treats you, it totally and completely depends on you. If you want a man to value and respect you, you must set healthy boundaries in a relationship. I always give example with kids because that kind of makes the most sense. If you have a child and you're not setting any boundaries, a child, even though it loves you, even though it's your own child, even though you're kind and giving to the child constantly, a child will start taking you for granted and your own child will start walking all over you. The same goes with a guy. If you're not gonna set healthy boundaries with a guy and show him how to respect you, he will start disrespecting you and walking all over you. Also, ladies, what guys do, they test women to see, do you respect and value yourself? Or do you lose emotional control and go crazy? Without testing you, he's not gonna know do you value or respect yourself. All right, therefore, ladies, please watch my video how to set the healthy boundaries in a relationship, and also get my ebook, which is called Ways Men Test Women, so you know what kind of test guys throw on women and how to pass his tests. And you can find that ebook actually on Amazon by following the link right here. The fourth way on how to get a man to respect you is do not agree to the last minute dates. Ladies, you're not a pizza delivery. All right, how much there is respect for a pizza delivery? It's like last minute hookup, you know, I'm hungry, give me pizza. Do you have feelings for a pizza? You know, like girls, you're basically, if you will see a guy at the last minute, the pattern will come that the weekend is coming or any day is coming and you're waiting for his text, hopefully to ask you out at the last minute. Like, how can you make your own plans if you're constantly waiting for his text? Like, oh my god, maybe he's gonna ask me out today, maybe I'm gonna get to see him, I miss him so much. A man is not gonna respect that. Let him ask you out in advance, and if he doesn't ask you out in advance, just don't see him at all until he asks you out in advance. Just tell him this: if a guy asks you, let's say, hey, can I see you tonight? Just reply to him very politely and in a kind way, no attitude. Hey, I would love to see you, that's such a great idea, but unfortunately I'm already busy. So if you want to meet up, just please let me know in advance. Or if you want to meet up, just please let me know a few days in advance. That's it. If a guy says, I love to be spontaneous, which literally right now every single guy who knows his game uses this line, oh, I love to be a spontaneous type. You say to him, oh my god, me too, I love to be spontaneous as well. Unfortunately, I literally plan my hours every single day. So if you want to meet up, you'll have to ask me in advance. That's it. That's it. This is how it's done. If he likes you, he will ask you out in advance. If he keeps asking you out last minute, you just keep going with the same polite, nice line. The key, girls, don't be rude with the guy. Don't go like, oh my god, how dare you ask me out the last minute, I'm not a pizza delivery. Or let me know in advance. How many times I have told you to ask me out in advance? Who do you think I am? That's rude. That's acting crazy. Playing dumb will let you reach the stars with a guy. And another thing, ladies, guys' favorite game is to play dumb. They nail at it. They nail at it. What did you say? No, I don't get that. Please explain this to me. Their favorite game is to play dumb. Copy it. The fifth one, how to get a man to value you. Ladies, value and respect him back. Ask for his opinion, respect his opinion, appreciate his opinion. Don't stalk him, don't break into his privacy, don't look at his phone. Respect him back. When you will show him respect, he will show you respect in return. If you're showing him respect and he is not, and he is getting insecure and not showing you respect in return, what you can say is, look, I trust you. If you don't trust me, why are we even dating? That's it. If the trust is broken, depending what it is, you basically break up with the guy and you move on. But until then, you trust him and he trusts you, because otherwise it's just not going to work. So thank you, ladies, for watching. If you liked this video, please press like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Join my high value women group, where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is private. It's called ladiesrelationshipcoach.com. And if you would like me to hold your hand and help you to bring out the best in your guy, you can always book me through my website, which is called ladiesrelationshipcoach.com, and choose the right package for you. So thank you so much for watching, ladies. Have a beautiful day. Kisses from London. Mwah.